So we go on to the section. Under section, I'm giving quiz on Google Classroom. Where do the files created in Google Classrooms are saved? Okay, we can give a notepad. Another choice, Google Drive. Then another option, OneDrive. Okay, in your email ID. Okay, so these are the four options given. Now, what you have to do in a quiz type of form, you want auto corrections to be done. In that case, you can give the key earlier only. So, give an answer key. Answer key, you can give how many points? 1 point. It's a 1 point. So, the right answer is Google Drive. I select this. This is done. Okay, one question is done. Next question, I'll add it. So next question I want to add, say I will take multiple choice grid. Okay, select the correct scale for the following levels. This is not related to Google Classroom, but still I am adding how to do it. Following levels of the question on the basis of rows and column. Okay. So I frame the question. So first row, I am giving say classwork. So you see in classwork, what would be the right option that we can see? I am giving one option. I will see rubrics, and another row I am creating for material. Okay, and then another row for paragraph assignment. Okay. So now the columns which I have created, there are three rows: classwork, material, paragraph assignment, and three rows rubrics. And then I can give here under this links, fundamentals. I can create quiz. Now answer key. See, here it will look for classwork, material, and paragraph assignment. These are the three options. You have to click around correct option. So in classwork, I can also have rubrics type, but I can the right answer is create quiz, because there is one option paragraph assignment, so that in that assessment can be done through rubrics. Materials, we can have all this, but we will have the right answer is link. So this is the correct choice. Points I'm giving one each. Okay, so done. These are the three rows and columns type multiple grid. Okay, so next question. So total I have now created how many? Total points 4.